Welcome to Baking on High.
Cheesecake. Can I make it?
How do my potatoes look? Sugar. Sure. Well, the recipe calls for cream. All I got is this. 7 tablespoons of melted butter. We get 1 egg. And stir this thing up. This is not a good sign. Okay, not so bad now. Well, I think this will be good enough. And I'm gonna put this in the oven for another 5-10 minutes. Well, I won't call this a total fail. So, to make the glaze, you get strawberries, butter, and maple syrup. Guess I should make more glaze. Well, it looks like something edible. I mean, it's cheesecake. No denying that. And this was Baking on High.